Well, if you were up early this morning, you may have noticed that the moon looked a little different. It was stained blood red. We also had a lunar trifecta. We'll talk about why that moon was so interesting. We have a central fire threat again today and a cold Groundhog Day coming up on Friday, February 2nd. All right, this is what the moon looked like early this morning. Again, stained blood red due to the fact that the Earth's shadow was over the moon. We call that a lunar eclipse. It was also in combination with a blood moon, the second moon of the month, and a supermoon, which was 30% brighter and 14% larger. It was a little closer to Earth, so that's why it looked a little brighter and bigger. So NOAA is calling that the super blue blood moon. Hope you saw it early this morning. We actually did see it low on the horizon in Minneapolis, coming off of about a couple of inches of snow here early this morning. The morning commute was rotten, but there's the U.S. Bank Stadium, which is where the Super Bowl will be played here this upcoming Sunday. We may have another chance of some light snow coming up tonight and then into the end of the week, early Saturday morning. We'll be watching for that. The current clipper, though, rolling through the Great Lakes and also into the eastern portions of the country. We are expecting a little more snow. Some of that could be enough to shovel and plow. Also, parts of Pennsylvania seeing more snow. And how about Erie? Currently sitting at their third snowiest season ever in recorded history, and the season is not quite done. We have another maybe 5 inches yet to go to get up close to that record, which was not too many years ago. But there you go. Red flag warnings in place down to the central and southern plains where we do have critical fire weather concerns. Very windy today as well. Gusts could be approaching 40 there in Dallas, and parts of West Texas may be up near 80 degrees. Meanwhile, as we take you back to the west-northwest, another surge of Pacific moisture coming in. That'll leave us with some heavy snow in the high elevations, pretty decent amounts of rain for Seattle and Portland. Meanwhile, today pretty warm, but as we approach that Friday time period, the eastern part of the nation will be very chilly.